Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a scientific calculator to help you cheat when solving quadratic equations. Now, sometimes the factorization can be quite difficult. So using a scientific calculator, it can help you work backwards to get the answer faster. So every country will have their own version of the scientific calculator that's approved by the examination board. Please make sure you learn how to use this quadratic function in your calculator so that you can get the answer much faster. So in my version of the calculator that is used in Singapore, what I would do is go to this menu here. Okay, when I click it, it will come to this. And then look at this number 5 here. I can click number 5 here. And you'll come up with an option for simultaneous equations or polynomials. Okay, so you can also use your calculator to help you solve simultaneous equations. But right now I'll be clicking 2 polynomials. And for a quadratic equation, the highest power, meaning the degree, is 2. So I'll be selecting 2. And it will come to this page where it puts here ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so you're supposed to fill in what is a, what is b, what is c. And you can see here that actually a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant. So I'll be using this example to show you how to do so. Now, the example 1 is solve the following quadratic equation, x squared plus 3x minus 28 equals to 0. So you can see here that for A, I will key in 1. For B, I will key in 3. And for C, I'll key in minus 28 or negative 28. Now, when I key and I press equal, it will give me 2 answers, x equals to 4 or x equals to minus 7. So how am I going to use this to help me solve for the solution? Okay, so basically, I just have to write this. X equals to 4. X equals to minus 7. Now I just have to work backwards. So I bring this 4 to the left, and you know we have to change the sign. X plus 7 equals to 0 as well. And now, remember last time we used the zero product rule where A times B equals to 0 and A equals to 0 or B equals to 0. So this time, we're going to reverse engineer it. And there we go. We have our working and we have the solution here. Now, why is this important? Because we can't just go from here to here. You will not get the marks, the working marks that are important, right? Because your teacher will know that you are getting the answer from the calculator straight away. So this is what we call cheating, right? Or reverse engineering. I get the answer first, I go backwards, and I go back. And this is the necessary working, okay? So let's try another example. Now in example 2, we have 5x squared minus 22x plus 8 equals to 0. Again, I'm going to key this into my calculator. So I key in A as 5, B as negative 22, and C as 8. And you can see that I'll get 2 answers again, 4 and 2 over 5. Now you have to be careful when you see this fraction because many people will make a mistake here when doing their factorization. So what do I mean by that? Let's take a look. Because some people write this. I mean, of course, you have to write the answer first, x equals to 2 over 5, or x equals to 4. Okay, you can also write x equals to 4 or x equals to 2 over 5. Now, this is where the mistake will occur. The student simply does this. And they give the teacher this. And as a teacher, I'll know that you're using the calculator still. Okay, and I won't give you the mark. Because if you refer back to my quadratic factorization video, you will know that there's no such thing as getting a fraction when you're doing factorization. Okay, so this is not the right way to do things. So how should I do it then? When I see this x equals to 2 over 5, I cross multiply the 5 back to the left. So I'll get this 5x equals to 2. And then 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So again, to reverse engineer it, I get 5x minus 2 equals to 0. X minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, and there you go. We have our solution here with the full working. All right. So some key points to take note. You need to show working for the quadratic factorization. So get the answers from the calculator to work it backwards. Be careful not to miss out the negative signs when keying in the terms in the calculator because you will get a wrong answer. All right. Now, if you found this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get this channel out to as many students as possible so they can get the help they need in mathematics. Thank you.